Hello everyone and welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec, Monday the 19th of August. Looking at cable, where we've seen cable ticking higher throughout last week. Actually, it was drifting higher, then had a pretty decent run higher on Friday, but it does look as though that this remains a move that's likely to come under pressure, likely to see an opportunity to sell back within this market. And you can see that where over the last few months, really, you can see a run of maybe 4 or 5 sessions where you see the market higher and then you start to see the selling pressure coming through. That's happened through May into June, also July. And it seems as though that we've now seen another one. And it's also a case whereby old support becomes new resistance. And I mean, to be honest, I think any sort of recovery phase that you do get in cable is likely to dissipate fairly quickly and then hit the buffers. 22.10 up to 22.50 is the resistance overhead. The resistance of Friday's high 21.75 before today just starting to drop back again. You've got the momentum indicators negatively configured across the board. Really, even though you've got this uptick on the MACD lines, uptick on the stochastics, it's still just playing out within the medium-term negative configuration, all underneath neutral on the MACD lines. 45 seems to be a limiting area. Previously on RSI, actually turning over around 40. If today's move is starting to see that selling pressure coming back in. And you can see this on the hourly chart where we've just sort of ticked a little bit higher back into resistance on the hourly chart. And I think ultimately it is likely to be that this plays to be a very short-lived recovery. The RSI back around 40, if it starts to move into the mid-30s on the hourly, maybe even below, we could start to see that selling pressure kicking back in, MACD lines back towards neutral. Again, if they start to pull below neutral decisively, then again, I think we're likely to see that. Maybe 21 big figure would be that trigger. That's a bit of a pivot line on this chart here. So below 21 big figure, potentially then you'd start to see that pressure growing to the downside again. You've got the initial support of 2075 from Thursday into Friday, and then obviously that reaction low at 2040 that protects the 2015 key level of support. So my opinion would be that I think we're still going to see rallies sold into for pressure towards 20 big figure. And the way that the market has formed today, it looks like that seems to be the case. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading. Click here to subscribe to my trading videos on YouTube, but also go to our website where you can sign up for our webinars. Thank you very much.